You are watching Brainworkshop, learning and fun.
Hi kids, I'm Miss Kitty. Today we will learn about the alphabet and its sounds. Are you excited kids?
Yes!
Let's get started. Kids, the first letter we will learn with the letter A. A. A says A. A. Apple. Apple.
Wow!
Let's move on the next letter, which is letter B. B. B says B. B. Ball. Ball. Excellent work, kids. Kids, guess what is the next letter? It's a letter C. C. C says K. K. Car. Car. Great work, kids. Kids, time to learn about the letter D. D. D says D. D. Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Wow!
Kids, our next letter is the letter E. E. Kids, do you know what the sound of the letter E? A. A. Elf. Elf. Good going, kids. Kids, learning the alphabet is fun. Let's move on the next letter, which is the letter F. F. F says for. For. Fish. Fish. Good work, kids. The next letter we are going to explore is the letter G. G. G says G. G. Gorilla. Gorilla.
Wow!
Kids, can you guess what is the next letter? It's a letter H. H. H says H. H. Hen. Hen. Marvelous, kids. Let's move on the next letter, which is the letter I. I says E. E. Iguana. Iguana. Great job, kids. The next letter we are going to explore is the letter J. J. Kids, do you know what is the sound of the letter J? J. J. Joker. Joker.
Wow!
Kids, time to learn about the letter K. K. K says K. K. Kitten. Kitten. Outstanding, kids. You are perfect now. Kids, can you guess what's the next letter? It's a letter L. L. L says L. L. Lion. Outstanding, kids! Kids, get ready for the next letter. It's a letter M. M. M says M. M. Mushroom. Mushroom. Very good, kids. Kids, time to learn about the letter N. N. N says N. N. Narwhal. Narwhal. Wow, kids! Kids, the next letter we are going to explore is O. O. O says O. O. Octopus. Octopus. Great work, kids! Kids, are you excited to learn more alphabet and its sound?
Yes!
Let's move on the next letter. It's a letter P. P. P says P. P. Pizza. Pizza. Great effort, kids! Now, let's move on the next letter. It's a letter Q. Q. Q says Q. Q. Queen. Queen. Marvelous, kids! Kids, can you guess what's the next letter? It's a letter R. R. R says R. R. Rhino. Rhino. Very good, kids. You are doing amazing job. Kids, time to learn about the letter S. S. S says sun. 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 Cool. The next letter we are going to explore is T. T. T says T. T. Turtle. Turtle. Fantastic job, kids. You're doing great. Kids, get ready for the next letter. It's a letter U. U. U says A. A. Umbrella. Umbrella. Great effort, kids! Kids, it's time to learn about the letter V. V. V says V. V. Van. Van. Terrific, kids! Kids, our next letter is the letter W. W. W says V. V. Whale. Whale. Great work, kids! Let's move on the next letter. It's a letter X. X. X says S. X. X mystery. X mystery. Very good, kids! you guess the next letter? It's a letter Y. Y. Y says Y. Y. Yacht. Yacht. Fantastic, kids. Kids, now it's time to move on the last letter in our alphabet series. It's a letter Z. Z. Z says Z. Z. Zebra. Zebra. Wonderful job, kids. Remarkable, kids. Thank you for joining us today in the marvelous alphabet sound learning chapter. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye-bye.
Hi kids, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification for more learning and fun.